To have ads and trackers filtered in your entire network, there are two solutions you will see mentioned: Technitium DNS Server and Pi-hole. First, there's a trusted Pi-hole. This program is specifically designed to block advertisements through the DNS server level. The program is easy to install and it is popular among people running home networks, Pi-holes on Raspberry Pi, and basic ad blocking. This option is excellent if you need only one feature that works perfectly. Next is Technitium. Technitium DNS Server is both authoritative and recursive. Apart from blocking, it features advanced capabilities like DNS management, filters, and block lists. Therefore, it has much more to offer the user that needs additional features other than ad blocking. So, which option is better? If you simply want a straightforward and easy to use solution, Pi-hole will be your way to go. It is simple, efficient, and well known tool. However, in case you need complete control over DNS traffic and ad blocking is an added value, Technicium will fit your needs better and provide native DNS over HTTPS and DNS over TLS functionality. For instance, in case you simply want to filter ads on smartphones, tablets, and smart TVs, then Pi-hole is an excellent solution for you. On the other hand, Technicium will give you an advantage if you want to manage local DNS traffic, test various DNS functions, or use a flexible setup for your home lab without having to add extra software such as Unbound. Finally, do not have high hopes of blocking all ads on the planet. Neither of the mentioned tools will be able to block every single one due to the fact that DNS filtering operates on a network level and cannot block first party ads such as the ones on YouTube or Twitch. Here lies the truth. Pi-hole wins by virtue of its simplicity, whereas Technicium comes out on top when it comes to DNS management. If you seek convenience when it comes to ad blocking, then Pi-hole will be your best bet. Should you require something more powerful, then choose Technicium. What would my personal choice be? For the majority, Pi-hole. For the few, Technicium.